Hi everyone, welcome to the second episode of my crochet tutorial series called Anyone Can Crochet. In this episode, we are going to crochet this beautiful daisy flower keychain. It's simple and easy to crochet and you're going to enjoy making this one. For this tutorial, you're going to need white and yellow yarns, a crochet hook, a scissor, a darning needle, and a stitch marker. For this tutorial, we are using a 3mm crochet hook, and for the first round, we are making a magic ring and crochet 6 single crochet into the circle and end with a slip stitch. We are chaining one and we are making the first single crochet. That's 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, 4 single crochet, 5 single crochet, and finally 6 single crochet. Now we are fastening the end. We are closing this circle and tighten the end, and finally we are going to slip stitch. For the second round, we are making 1 chain and we are going to make 6 increase. That means 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, and we are going to repeat this process for 6 times. So we are marking our stitch and we have already made 1 single crochet, so we're making another in the same stitch. That's 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, and we are going to repeat this for 6 times. That's 1 single crochet and 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. We are ending this round with a slip stitch, and for the next round we are making a chain and we are making 1 single crochet in each of these stitches. That means 1 single crochet in 1 stitch. We are putting the stitch marker in the first stitch. So we are making 12 single crochet in total. That is 1 single crochet in 1 stitch. Now we have come to the end of this round. We are going to slip stitch, remove the stitch marker and slip stitch. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. And secure it. Now we are going to join these 2 pistils with single crochet stitch. We are going to make the first single crochet by inserting our hook and joining these 2 pistils. So in total we are going to make 12 single crochets. That's 1 single crochet. Mark the stitch with a stitch marker. That's second single crochet. Continue making single crochet and I will meet you at the end of this round. Before we end this round, we are going to fill this space inside with some scrap yarn. We can also use any soft fabric to fill this up. After filling that up, we are going to continue the single crochet to complete this round. This is the last single crochet. And finally, we are going to slip stitch. Make sure you have 12 single crochet in total. Remove the stitch marker and slip stitch. Chain 1, cut the yarn and secure it. For petals, we are going to use our white yarn and attach it to the pistil. After attaching the white yarn, we are going to make 2 chains. That's 1 chain, 2 chain. After making 2 chains, we are going to crochet 5 double crochet toggles. This is how you make a double crochet toggles. Making a double crochet toggle is same as making a double crochet, but with a difference. The only difference is that you just need to pull through the first 2 loops only. So we are going to make this double crochet toggles 5 times in one stitch to make a petal, and we are going to make 12 petals for this daisy flower. Continue making 12 petals. That means 5 double crochet toggle stitch in one stitch. After making all the 5 double crochet toggles, we are going to pull through all the loops and slip stitch. Now we are going to chain 2 and slip stitch into the next stitch, and we are going to repeat this process for 12 times. We are ending this round with a slip stitch. That slip stitch, chain 1, cut the yarn. Now we are going to secure the ends using our darning needle. And here we have the final look of our crochet flower. It looks so pretty. Will you try to crochet this beautiful daisy flower keychain? Please let me know in the comment, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment this video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next one. Bye bye.